Hi everyone, welcome back to Car Fix. Today I'm going to give you another quick household tip on how to rejoin the seal in your wallpaper if you're redecorating, or if your wallpaper is coming apart at the seam. So first of all, tip number one, don't be bending the paper away from the wall. You want to keep it as flat as possible. So if you see it in your house, don't be putting your fingers behind it and pulling away at it. So what you want to do next is get quite a damp cloth and just dab it. Try and get a bit of water in the joint as well. It'll help the glue to adhere and also make the paper a bit more flexible if it's slightly wet. So the next tool I've got is just a scraping blade, a filling blade, for filling walls, and you can use that to get in behind the joint instead of using your fingers and pulling it away. You can get that in there and just prise it out slightly, and it'll also help you spread the glue once you put it in. The glue I'm using today is just this Solvite vinyl overlap and wallpaper adhesive in a tube because it's easier. If you had loads to do, it might be quicker to mix up some of your own wallpaper paste, but I've only got a couple to do, so I'm going to use this. What I'm going to do is squirt a bead in there. If I've got any left. There we go. Let's just get some coming. Make sure you're right to the top where the crease starts. So now, instead of using your finger, what the real use for the blade is to push the paper flat. And it also takes off the excess glue with it. As you can see there, it's fully sealed down now. You can take your wet cloth again and just wipe off the excess glue. And obviously if you've got a painted wall like this one, you probably have to do a little bit of touch-up painting. But the seam is now perfectly joined. You can see a white line there, that's where I've scrubbed the paint off. That's nothing to do with the actual joint. And yeah, that's the top tip for today. So again, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like, favourite and subscribe. Go watch some of my other videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.